As Tesla shareholders, we need to be very, very aware of a very important event that is happening this week. On Thursday, we have the Tesla shareholder meeting. At this event, we will find out the outcome of the revote on Elon Musk's performance-based compensation plan that was originally approved back in 2018. And we will find out about the vote on the company's incorporation to Texas. Now, depending on where you are in the world, you still have the chance as a Tesla shareholder to vote. And this is absolutely important, whether you hold just 1 share, 10 shares, 50 shares, or thousands of shares. Please, 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 if you haven't already, go and cast your vote. If you're a shareholder in Europe, you may not be able to vote at this current moment, but just check on the platform that you use. This could be one of the most important days in Tesla's history. This is absolutely crucial. And this is not just about Elon Musk getting a pay package. It goes far beyond that. The most crucial thing here is, well, one, moving to Texas. That is fundamental for the future of Tesla in terms of legalities, and it's just really, really important. But also, it's important that Elon Musk gets his performance-based compensation plan. One, because a deal is a deal, pay the man, he's absolutely earned it. And if you disagree with that, I really, really just don't understand. But the important thing here, the crucial element here, is the voting power that comes along with this. If Elon Musk is going to drive Tesla through the next growth era into the world of AI, he must retain voting power. He is absolutely the right man to do this, but understandably, he will not feel comfortable doing this without the right to vote as to what happens at Tesla. Now, unfortunately, we've had some bad news. Of course, this is a really high-profile case. A lot of eyes are on whether this deal is going to be reapproved or not. And quite a lot of institutions and retail investors have actually come out saying that they are voting against Elon Musk getting this compensation plan, which, like I said, I find absolutely crazy. I do not understand it. It just seems ethical at this point. Forget everything else. Forget whether you like him or not. To pay the man, a deal is a deal, like I just said. But we've now learned that the Norway State Pension Fund, as you can see here, announced that they will actually vote against the 2018 compensation plan, but they will vote for the Texas incorporation. Now, they own a number of shares. They are a massive organization and they actually account for about 1% of all outstanding shares. Now, you might not think that 1% is very much, but it is. It's a substantial amount of shares to be voting against something. This is why I say it's absolutely crucial that all retail investors rally together and vote for this. Elon Musk then responded to this, saying, yeah, this is not cool. If they actually surveyed their constituents, they would discover an overwhelming support in favour. So far, roughly 90% of retail shareholders who have voted in favour of both resolutions. The public sentiment is unequivocally supportive. It wasn't that long ago that I believe the head of this organisation actually did a Spaces with Elon Musk, so it seems a little bit like a stab in the back, but yeah, it's unfortunate. I don't really know why these big organisations, why these institutions would be voting against it. There must be something there. If you know what that is, leave it in the comments below. But it's really, really positive to actually hear that 90% of retail shareholders have voted for this. We are building momentum and fingers crossed this will pass. But do remember though, if this doesn't go the way we want it to, there are other options to get Elon Musk the voting power that he so desires. Things can happen. It's not just be all end all on this. The most crucial thing is that we actually move Tesla to Texas. Cathie Wood hasn't been shy to show her support over this either, saying, I'd argue that no other executive is as aligned with shareholders as Elon Musk, who committed to no salary, no bonus, no stock compensation for 10 years, unless he created tremendous value for Tesla shareholders. He's absolutely done that. Why are we not paying him? Moreover, and this is really, really important actually, Musk will not be able to cash in on his options until 5 years after exercising them. Based on this pay package, Elon has worked without compensation since 2018. And more importantly, current shareholders will benefit from another 5+ years of Elon at the helm. At this current point in time, Elon has not exercised any of the stock options. And like we've just learnt there, he has to wait 5 years to cash in after he exercises them. So let's just say this goes through and he exercises his stock options. He then has to wait another 5 years before cashing in on them. That means 5 extra years that he is absolutely, this is aligned with the benefits of shareholders. Do let me know what you're thinking and feeling about the Tesla shareholder event coming up on Thursday the 13th in the comments below. And I'm going to carry on the conversation about all things Tesla in the exclusive segment for Vault members only. If you want to watch these episodes ad-free, get exclusive and extended content and a bunch of other perks, become an insider of the Inner Circle Vault. Link in the description.